Daddy, come here.
Okay, let's go. That little ball.
Where's your book?
Roll that ball song. Do you like this song? Do you like to dance to it?
Why did I come in here, Rex? Is this awesome?
No.
No? Boy, you have a lot of stuff in here. I wonder if we could reduce the quantity of
Cody
toys.
did that.
Yes.
Calder did that?
Yeah.
Oh
You want to dance to the song?
no! Oh,
Can I roll the little ball to you? Is this the roll the little ball song? Is that your new ball?
no!
You gonna do your new walk? Speaking of new walk. Wow, that's a pretty cool walk. Whoa, where'd your ball go? You gonna do the new walk over to it? Oh, new walk.
New walk.
Moon? No moon. Oh man, sorry, dude. I don't see it. No. What do you see? It's pretty dark out. Yeah.
Hey, Rex. Bye-bye.
Hi! Hi!
Hi.
Daddy, come here.
Come here? Right here. Now what?
Go.
Go? I just came. You want me to go?
You what?
New walk? Okay, go ahead. Show me new walk. Are you going to do the new walk?
Who's doing the new walk, Rex or Daddy?
Mommy?
Mommy, no. Show Daddy your buses. How many buses can you show him at one time?
Bus.
That bus?
No.
No, you don't want to do that one?
One bus.
That's not a bus, that's a rhino.
One bus.
Oh, okay.
So, one bus.
Rhino bus.
Yeah.
Gonna put it in the garage? Put it in the train garage. It fits in there. Look at that. Cool. What else fits in there? Do you think the buses would fit in there?
Yeah.
Oh, you should try it. Well, that one's a really big one. Does it fit? It does!
Okay. This has been another edition of Short Attention Span Theater.